feel it's my time, think it's my pen ready. Used to hold myself back, my self-esteem damn petty. Gotta keep on chugging, ran through everything in front of me. Might smoke bed in heaven, got a whole agenda. Can't aspire to get ahead, so bump that, it's no surrender. Got a dollar flipped up, I'm trying to get it in FT to get them when they're hand and crypto. Learn how to fix that. I don't really hold out of books, but I'ma learn how to fix that. Some opportunities are never come unless you paying attention, so no, I can't miss that. Moving, MVP, I got the record, I might have to pro something. Big jumper worthy, they gon' have to retire my jersey early. Whole crew coming, had to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket, yeah, I did all that. Big plans, partners trying to make profits, yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no ends, yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen, putting hours in my practice, I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs, yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, run it, ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my big dog, walking big talk, young veteran, living legend, bet I'm better than them. This is my ship, I'm a jacket like Letterman, y'all better not let them in, they gon' rotate this, so I keep the pedaling, started a chain, the cycle is heaven sent, this is from God, but I'm not your reverend, not in the pulpit, I'm a pit bull in this element, yeah, said you gon' pull up, then settle it, yeah, I've been married to this hustle, this is my ring, watch I step in it, yeah, and I ain't even got a yard, but I'ma get it here, watch I touch down, pulling plans out the clutch, everybody getting crushed, the cut down is for us now, have to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket, yeah, I did all that, big plans, partners trying to make profits, yeah, I did all that, work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no ends, yeah, I did all that, had to make it happen, putting hours in my practice, I did all that, yeah, I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs, yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, run it, ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my, yeah. Run it, I can't take no loss, I don't even know what it costs, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, I can't take no loss, I don't even know what it costs, yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, run it, ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my pen ready. Used to hold myself back, my self-esteem damn petty. Gotta keep on chugging, ran through everything in front of me. Might smoke bed in heaven, got a whole agenda. Can't aspire to get ahead, so bump that, it's no surrender. Got a dollar flipped up, I'm trying to get it in FT to get them when they're hand and crypto. Learn how to fix that. I don't really hold out of books, but I'ma learn how to fix that. Some opportunities are never come unless you paying attention, so no, I can't miss that. Moving, MVP, I got the record, I might have to pro something. Big jumper worthy, they gon' have to retire my jersey early. Whole crew coming, had to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket, yeah, I did all that. Big plans, partners trying to make profits, yeah, I did all that. Work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no ends, yeah, I did all that. Had to make it happen, putting hours in my practice, I did all that. Yeah, I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, run it, ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my big dog, walking big talk, young veteran, living legend, bet I'm better than them. This is my ship, I'm a jacket like Letterman, y'all better not let them in, they gon' rotate this, so I keep the pedaling, started a chain, the cycle is heaven sent, this is from God, but I'm not your reverend, not in the pulpit, I'm a pit bull in this element, yeah, said you gon' pull up, then settle it, yeah, I've been married to this hustle, this is my ring, watch I step in it, yeah, and I ain't even got a yard, but I'ma get it here, watch I touch down, pulling plans out the clutch, everybody getting crushed, the cut down is for us now, have to work something, cause I had nothing in my pocket, yeah, I did all that, big plans, partners trying to make profits, yeah, I did all that, work, sweat, and tears breaking, even no ends, yeah, I did all that, had to make it happen, putting hours in my practice, I did all that, yeah, I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, I can't take no loss, yeah, I don't even know what it costs, yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, hit the ground, then it go off, yeah, run it, ooh, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah, I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my year, yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my, yeah. Run it, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah. Run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time.
Hello. Oh, we have no music. We're starting on a quiet note. Give me a second. I need the music on. How's everyone doing? I can't take no loss every single time. I know you're bobbing your head around. And who was it? Yes, Philip. Might give it away, but I was swimming. I'm sorry. It's got to be done. Twan, hey, fellow Vanguard. Twan is smashing it. Guess what's back? I have to tilt it to show you. Look at that crema. On the Americanas today. John, hello. Thirsty Gamers, hello. And Average FX, good morning. Good morning. Oh, I've seen the pound dollar move. What's going on? Oof. Should have taken profit yesterday. Opening on the attempt to take the lows there. We're going to go into analyze everything about the pound dollar because I'm currently in a position. Yesterday we had some nice moves. I could have closed this position for $150, but I generally thought that we're going higher. That didn't happen, so now we have to deal with this trade. We're going to have to deal with if it's going to grab the liquidity. Oh, it's picking up now. Let's go. I can't do this to you without watching the screens. Here we are. That's what we're talking about. Pound dollar. Right, I need to put my dailies in here. I haven't done my dailies. Let's get rid of indicators. Go away. Why you're not going away? Oh, I'm not clicked on this. That's why. There we go. Indicator's gone. Let's jump onto a big screen of the pound dollar. Price did what? Came to my happy place. When it comes to my happy place, I do what? I enter entries. I'm just going to open on the MT5 so we can see that. I got a nice entry yesterday. Here, pushed all the way up to $150, but I wanted to hold it. What was this? $165. So I wanted to hold this to the highs. I generally thought we're going higher, so I didn't close it. So now this is going to be our worst position to analyze today. So happy days. I always get more views when we're in drawdown. So that's good news. We're going to have some more views today. Good coffee, good movements. So this is going to be interesting now. The most thing that I'm keeping my eye on is this bad boy here. We're currently traced into the 76.4. We will consider this. I will consider this to put my one lot there. As in like half a lot, so it'll be total exposure of one lot. However, liquidity lies below here. Why? We've got a big fair value gap. So people that are joining that don't know what I got a message yesterday saying, what is a fair value gap? So a fair value gap is when price is expanded and on the left of the candle and the right of the candle you don't have any wicks or candle. So from this here to this here we have a gap of efficiency, if you want. ICT calls them fair value gaps. That's why we're using that term. So the biggest one here coincides, I probably can't see it, coincides with what? Coincides with this bad boy. With the sell side liquidity below here. Now, what level is that? That is roughly 12642. Let's see. I'm sure there's going to be certain levels there. What was it? 1264. There you go. That's a daily level there. So we have to think about this. We have to think about, are we gonna take a 76.4 entry, or we're gonna wait for a bearish momentum? We just need to get an understanding of everything. But let's put our favorite indicator on there, which is live economic calendar by 2 degrees, spelt as TOO. There it is. We have news today. We have core PCE price index at 1:30 UK time. We can see it there. Love this. I'm going to say it every single day. Now, my happy place has been taken out, so I can take that out. And these happy places, they're just going to have to wait. If you feel like it, pound dollar, you can go up there, because that means we'll be making profits. So you do that. It's come close to the low, but hasn't taken it out. Let's go to the daily so we can put our dailies in. I know there's indicators where you can do it quicker. I just like, oh, wait a minute. Now that's cool. Wait. If I go below the day, it gives me the daily news. Let me just move that discount. We don't need it. I don't think anyone is getting the prime. They're just cheating and using my one. So if we're below intraday, we're getting the news of today. But if I put on a daily, boom, look at that. We've got the next 3 days. I guess, wait, previous 3 days, 26. Yeah, up to this point. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Dailies, let's do that quickly. Can take that out, that got taken out. Let's take that sell side, that got removed. Get the previous data there. We're moving up, we're moving up. How is everyone doing on this fine Friday? I had to check it's Friday, sometimes I forget. Let's do that. Oh, I feel good today because I had a bench day today. And I'm going to have to show you. Oh, we're going down, we're going down. I can't show you that yet. Let's see. Pushing, we're pushing. I think I'm going to add, if we take the lows, I think I'm going to add a position. Unfortunately, this is also a Darwin position, so I have to be careful with that drawdown. We're getting close to that allocation. We can't do stupid things. We at least need to get the 25k of the next allocation. Can't be too greedy. So this is it. Let's see if you can see it better there. That's what we're looking at. 76.4 is the liquidity below, so I will consider it. I will consider it. It will only be one lot position. I don't mind it. I don't mind adding to one lot there. This is what I'm talking about here. A price below here. Let's see actually what is the actual price of the 76.4. Let's delete this. And I will come on the chat, guys. I'm just need to get ready for this open because it's in half an hour. Get our command. Look at that. 76.4 sits above. That's not a fair value gap. That is sell side. What price is that? 126,787. Let me put you over here so I can see your chats. Who we got? We got Bobby. It's annoying, EU move. Moved before London. That's why you need to move to Bali. You can catch these moves. Did it? What did it do? It's gone down. Oh yeah. Let's put the dailies on this as well. Oh, this is quite interesting as well. This has taken the low already. We'll definitely be interested at 108 here for sure. This is an area of interest. Let's put an alert close to 108. It's just filled this now. It's filled it, I guess, a couple of days ago. Let's bring down the previous day. Get our fib in. Move our equilibrium. Equilibrium is close to that weekly now. Fib retracement. Can take that out. What is this fib? Let's close the news. Pound dollar, we're at minus 0.17. 0.17. We need to remember that number so we can keep an eye on it. Go to euro. Leaf Mockgathy. Welcome. This is nice. But I think because the pound dollar has actually got more movement to the downside, I would be patient on that anyway. Let's look at the Aussie dollar. Aussie dollar is squeezing. Aussie dollar is getting ready for a big move. I can see it. It hasn't yet got to our happy place. Wait, how is that already there? Oh, it's the same previous day. Equal lows on the previous day. That is also interesting. Let me just add all the pairs so we've done it. What I should do, which will be clever, I can't remember who it was, Moitoshi or something, I can't remember your name. I probably killed it, it was something else. There was an indicator he mentioned, all in one. Oh, what was it? All in one. Can't remember the name now. I have to go back and watch the video. Someone must remember it, surely. What was it? It was all in one. Daily. Can't remember. Is it this one? Can't remember. Right, we'll have to do it manually. But we could use that for a little bit of guidance. 0.16 pushing slightly up. Euro dollar 0.27. USD JPY. Yeah, it was all in one, but what was the name of the guy? Can't remember now. Gold. Gold is just consolidating because they're bloody waiting for the elections in November. Not November, what is it? All in one sessions, was it? I'll check. Oh, and that rings a bell. All in one text. Something moon, wasn't it? There we go. Found him. Nice. Who was that? Pablo. That should help us put the lines in. Monthly low. Previous daily low. Previous daily label 50%. There we go. Alright, so then I don't need this one. So DXY. DXY, Jesus, we're pushing. It's ignoring the gap. It's like, gap? What gap? Look how high the previous daily low is coming. Equilibrium, we'll just drag it to the middle there. And now we can turn it off. Oh wait, we've got oil. Oil pushed higher. We said that we'll be interested around here. I'm gonna close that. Right, this is kind of interesting now. Pound is still up 0.16, so we're okay to analyze this. Was it monthly? No, weekly. I want to see that fib again. It's a weekly fib. On a daily, we've closed. Oh, I so want to buy this. I so want to buy this. This is really nice, isn't it? $138 pips. 473 pips. That looks good. Let's show the previous days. Does look good, that. Yeah, I do like this. I do like this. Just need to see what's the deal with cost. Cost. The spread is floating. So we've got 68 to 71. Minimum volume 001. I think it still costs $4 per lot. Come on, oil traders. Is there anything I need to worry about oil? Is it easy to get a leverage? Is it a commodity? Because I did the same with DAX and I could only open like 3 positions. What's the oil situation? Because I kind of like it. Right, who we got? Yes, John, look at that. Drawdown equals learning opportunity. Oh, I see. That's why people like it. Sold yesterday after the news, 127.10, targeting 126.14. Oh, awesome, Ali. That's good. Did you get out of your position from which you've been holding? Thursday in Vancouver, but yeah, yeah, that's what happens when we're all over the place, all over the world. Let's go back to the pound dollar on this. What we got? 15 minutes. I think we're gonna take the lows. I mean, if it spikes down, that's gonna be horrible for my Darwin X, but I'm hoping it doesn't. I'm hoping it takes the liquidity and then pushes up. Where's Ali going? 1, 2, 6, 14. 1, 2, 6. Down here. Don't do that, Ali. Don't manifest that. SMT divergence between EU and pound. Do you consider midnight open as benchmark reference? Not really. Not really. I look at the Asian low, which is very obvious because it's normally the closest low. Okay, we're coming down. We're coming down. I think. Where's my fib? Where's my fib? Do I want to take this? So that is 10, 20, nearly 25 pips. I just want to see. I want to see the open. I'm not going to react. Sorry, that's my target. Okay, you can manifest that, Lee. Okay. It's where I want to reposition anyway, so that's not bad. Good morning, Batish. Are you in sells or guys? Well, you can see I'm in drawdown, so I'm in longs. I could have taken $160 profit yesterday, but I didn't. I was greedy. I'm looking forward to learn the position the way you do it. Where can I learn it? How to manage lots accordingly? Can you suggest me any videos? Nice, Ali. Where you're sitting? What ranking? Batish, the best place to learn, I think, it's joining us in with the Vanguards. I've pinned it up. Where is it? Come and join us. We've got loads of videos on there. Oh, not YouTube. That's not the one. In the description of this video as well, there's a link where you can join the Vanguards. They have a call today, actually, which is it's initiated by the Vanguards. Is that going to do it? It's not going to do it. Which is nice. Okay, 76.4. Let's see. Let's see the reaction here. What are we looking on? I'll come back to you with the link, Batish. I just need to see what's going on with this pound dollar. What's the time? 47. We've taken the low. $76.4. Right, let's do some objective analysis. If this goes against me to the next low, it's another 40 pips. So 40 pips plus 25 65 pips. It's not bad. Let's look at it. Let's look at this price action. Where are we on indicators? Just opened up the my gut is saying that we're going to retest this weekly level here for sure. We're going to retest this. Now the question is when. So if I reposition this here, that will be quite close to risk mitigate the top one. RSI's got a little bit of room down, but I do want to wait for the low, but I know I'm risking that I'm going to lose the move. 126,700. Right, I think I'm gonna take a 76. So now when we've got our full lot in, it's separated by $160. So that will be break even there. Let's see. So if we treat this as a one lot, what we can do, so easy calculations, if you throw the fib on there, that's 50%. So from the 50% to the gap, it's about 80 pips. So 80 pips on a one lot will be 800. So that's going to be $400 down at this moment here. So if we're $400 down there, it means 400, if I double that, so this would be, let's do this. So to the 1618, that's $680. This is $500 odd dollars. So at this point, I can only, I will take half a lot on this trade here. Now, okay, so we've done that. Let me take these out. Now, Darwin X. Darwin X is having a bit of a hit now, isn't it? I can't take it on Darwin X. I have to reposition here. So with Darwin X, I have to wait, because I can only take 4 trades. Tricky. 7. Yeah, remember there's news as well. Don't forget that there's news. So there could be positioning happening for the news, which is coming at, hold on, we've got something for that. 1:30 US time. Core PCE, PCE price index. Let's go. Have I got it here? I can't do it. I was going to show you on Interactive Brokers the CPE. Hello, Anna. Hello, Tassie. There is another low of 126,700. Yeah, 126,700 is. What do you mean another low? You mean this one? What we got? Are we 6 minutes? 6 minutes to the open. Well, 5.5. So the plan. Actually, let's put our prices in. So we've got Darwin X. I can't do much. I'm just gonna have to wait it. This one we got 127,096. 127,096. Oh, on the daily. This is where we got in, pushed all the way up there, didn't close it, pushed below, came back, filled fair value gap here, pushed down. Now we're getting, well, the question is, this is interesting. We've gone from, this target here was hit, 127,600, right? Can we go from 600s to 400s? I guess we can. It's done it once here. Went all the way down to retest the 12600. Look at that. Boom. soon as it went below the 600s, we had the big reaction. And now we've had a push, slow push upwards. There was an attempt to sell it below, failed. And now there's build up again to retest this low. To retest what? To retest the 12600. So 12600 is the big hold. Why? Because we've done it 2 times before. One here, came close, didn't get there. Well, we've done it 3 times. 1, 2, 3 times. We broke it, and then we had another reaction up. So this is the 4th attempt to break the lows. So we're interested to see what happens. Hello, Sarah. How we doing on the likes, guys? Let's see. Let's see how we're doing on the likes. 21. 20%. Sad times. 20% of you like this. I should turn it off right now, and you'll never find out what happens. Just kidding. Smash that like button, guys. It helps. It helps massively. You think one little click doesn't do much, but it does. 20 likes compared to like 80, 90. The algorithm goes, this is interesting, let's push it to more traders. Hi, Stryer. My one key learning that I'm gonna do with Darwin X, I'm not gonna enter the same position with my fibers. That's gonna be my new rule. It's gonna be on my second position every single time. It's the best trades I've had on Darwin X is on my second position for fibers. Now you might ask, why don't you get into your second position in fibers anyway? Well, the thing is that I need to get an entry with an idea, because otherwise it's basically a different idea. So with the fibers, I've got room because I've got 250,000 account, so the leverage is not an issue. With Darwin X, leverage is an issue. Is this position you're in with 150, the one from yesterday? Yes. I should have closed it for $160 profit here. I didn't close it, I held it. I didn't put break even because I generally thought that we're going to be pushing higher. So now we've got that as a worse entry. 1 minute to go. Let's see. Let's do the countdown. We've got about 40 seconds. Let's see what happens. Volatility is going to come in 33 seconds. Here we go. We're starting to pin up above the green previous daily low. Let's see what's going to happen. Exciting times. That's what we live for, traders. Candlesticks and timers. 16 seconds, 15 seconds. Bsh, all the way to the sky. Oh, bsh, all the way down. We'll see. As long as you risk managed it and you can take either the good news or the bad news, then you're in a good position to trade. Now we're going to see, we're opening now. We're going to see if we're going to risk mitigate this or we're going to let it run to reposition. We'll see. 127s is a bit high. We're trading below 127 now. That's 12700s. We'll see how it opens. I've got a feeling that we're heading back. I've got a feeling that we're heading back down here, which won't be good for my Darwin X, for sure. Looking for a AMD setup. What's that? Let's see the update. 44 likes. We're doing a little bit better. A little bit better. Now, we have two ways we can manage this, right? Or there's millions of ways. And that's why in the Discord, when I've got a video about 3 hours nearly on repositioning. I explained to the guys that there's no one way to reposition, right? So that you can do multiple things here. One, you can use a small push to take a mini loss on this. So let's say if this goes back to minus 50, you can close that for minus $50 plus the cost, probably about $55. And now you've got this position as a worse position. So that's risk mitigation. The other way is you just hold this, you reposition this position, so you get this or break even, hold this position as your worst position. Third way is you take the profit of this, you hold this position, and now you've discounted this by the profit of this. Fourth way is you take this profit, you close this, and then you see what's going to happen. So you either, if price comes back down, you re-enter. So it's almost like a profit with a close of repositioning. So there's multiple ways you can do this. And it's all down to reading the candlesticks and identifying how bearish is this or how bullish is it? How much risk do I want to put on this, risk off on this? So yeah, every day is different. Repositioning is not a system, it's like a tool. It's a tool, a management tool. Good morning from Africa. Good morning, Chris. All the familiar faces are in. Yeah, I just don't like the Darwin X position. That was a bit silly. That was a bit silly. It's still okay. It's like 25 quid. But I just don't like where it is now. Because with the fivers, guys, this can go to like 1,500, 1,800 drawdown. And if my idea, I'm managing it well, I'm okay. But with Darwin X, I can't. There's very limited what I can do. What size act is the 0.5 on? What size act? Account? Oh, it's 250,000. When do you take a double loss? How does it happen? When do I take a double loss? Do you mean these do trades to be a loss? My whole trade will be one thing. So if I have 5 positions in there, it would be all of them. I might have managed it, so I might have closed 3 for profit. You're risking very little then. I'm not actually. I'm risking quite a bit because my management for this is risking 2 grand, and that's a lot. So I can still trade this for 2 grand. I've just entered with half a lot because I know with $5 per pip, it's better. Management, it's more manageable. If I put 1 lot in there, now we would be at double the risk, so we'll be at 200. If that starts going below that line of 76.4, then we're talking about $500 just with 25 pips or something. Good morning, Hymuth. Oh, I had some good news. I mean, I just have to show you this, guys. This is going to be my plug for Vanguard as well. I love success. I love seeing success. And when people are doing even better than me, that's even better. I want to see Ali become the #1 on Darwin X. That would be awesome. As long as I'm like in the top 3. We can both be in the top 3. What was I looking for? Milestones. This is awesome. Look at this. Woo, just past stage 1 on my 5K high stakes account. At first dabbed doubles sometime with super small lot sizes, as I thought the max daily loss was only 0.5%. Thanks for all the learning. Look at this graph, guys. Come on. We need to give a big shout out to Peter. That is bloody awesome. It looks like my graph when I passed the boot camp. So he's doing something right. Looking forward to seeing your success. People are doing great on Darwin X as well. This is our milestones. I know we've had Shafraz. Actually, Hall of Fame is where Shafraz with the first time 25K. I was the second Vanguard on there. So Shafraz will forever hold the #1 Vanguard who made Darwin X funding. Right, this is just holding above. It's not looking extremely great. And today, so every Wednesday, you know that we do the Zoom calls, right? In the Vanguard. When you join the Vanguard, you get access to the Vanguard list, which is all of these. You get the weekly webinars, well, Q&As, which is, it has more than like, I don't know how many 25 recordings now of videos, repositioning and everything on there. And where is it? So something new that we're going to be doing is a Vanguard meeting every Friday. So the guys, this is not going to be recorded on Fridays. I think it's massive to have a group of people where you can just go and share where you're at. Not only like, this is how I get in, this is how I get out, this is how I manage my trade. There's more than that. Like, someone might be having a bad week. Why not everyone be there to support that person? We can all jump in and see what else is happening. Why is he having a bad week? Does he need to let off some steam from what's going on in his life in a manner that is not recorded? Well, we're going to be there, like, supporting the individual. Slowly starting to see a little bit of greenness. Let's see. Darwin X, what's that doing? Martin, I don't know if Martin is here, but you are right. I am worrying about that position too much. Do you recommend boot camp or high stakes? I'm all for boot camp for 2 reasons. Not a lot of people pass it. So you've got a good representation of what the actual 90% or 99% looks like. Because only 1% pass the boot camp, and it's 1% of the 1% who hold it more than 3 months. So we're talking about, you can put your fingers up and count how many people are currently in the Fivers with bootcamp accounts that have held more than 3 months and paid out more than 3 times. So if you can do that, and you've proven yourself that you can be consistent for 3 phases, and then also you get your account and you trade it, I think you're in a good place to succeed. So Tassie, I would say bootcamp. If you know what you're doing, you know you're successful. You don't need to go through the learning curve that I had to go through. Then you can jump on the high stakes. I don't know exactly everything about the high stakes in terms of, are we, what's the word? Like how many pauses you can have, or can you keep a stop, or all these things that comes with it. We've got our bottom position now is at 10 pips. I need to start thinking what I'm gonna do with this now. Let's have a look. Let's analyze the chart a bit. Where's my trading view? This is going to be tough to break. We've broken below with an aggressive candle, so this will be tough. Possibly. Do I want to hold it? I might want to hold this. I might want to hold to see if it breaks. Or let's take a little bit of risk off. So what I'll do, I'm going to close 0.1 of this on this push. So now we've taken a loss of Oh, it won't show me. 0.1. It should show me. There's $20 loss there. So we'll take a $20 loss. That's not bad. To close 0.1. So now at the bottom size, we've got 0.5. And this is what I call risk mitigation. Because we had a nice, healthy push there. But we have a strong barrier here. So we're just going to close a little bit. And then potentially, as this is coming up, we'll see how the price action is moving. Then we can start mitigating a little bit more until we think that we're actually going a lot higher. Look, the 50% of this move is that weekly. So we need to see, we've had a nice close now on the 15-minute. We need to see that push to the 50. I might just keep half a position on the top there. Just take half a loss on this push. Guys, I am sharing a lot of stuff, so the only thing you can do is like. That's the only thing I ask for you. This stuff, normally I just share it with the vanguards. And I'm not giving you the details, but you are actually seeing one of the methods I use. So make sure you like, and if you want to go the extra mile, share this to like your Facebook or to a friend, and that will get a bigger reach. And today you're listening about something new, how to risk manage, but not the simple one, the risk mitigation. Normally people charge like 2-3 grand for this stuff. You see, you give all this, and then Mr. Manju comes in and says, any giveaway? Have you liked, Mr. Manju? That is the giveaway. Have you liked? Now the question is, maybe I can I do a partial on this? I might have to wait, but I might do a small partial on Darwin X as well, if it gives us another push. Favorite pair, absolutely pound dollar, hands down. It's the one, I'm in a relationship with pound dollar. I just trade it every day. I understand it, I understand the moves, I understand if I get it wrong, how to get out. Okay, so right, that's a nice little push there. So what I'm going to do, I can't close that, so 0.05. Right, this looks different. There we go. Give us a nice healthy green candle there. So half a position will cost us about $10 on the Darwin X, but on our main one, let's look at the main one. I've got a feeling that was the push scam, guys. I think we're going to be going down. So luckily, well managed. We closed a little bit of that risk. So every time that goes down, we're losing less. Right? Makes sense? So potentially, as this is consolidating, everyone thinks about making money. But a risk manager thinks about how can I decrease risk? Because I'll make money anyway. Because I've got a good position down here. So how can I risk manage this position? That's the question. Have we hit 60? Let's see. 60 likes, manifesting. 60. Has it happened? We're on 59. We can do it. "20 minutes into the session, we've had a little bit of a push to the upside. Now there's a next one coming. I might take Darwin X. Let's go to, when it goes to $10, if I close half of it, that will be a $5. Which it sounds nothing, but remember the account is tiny on Darwin X. It's only $1,000, $1,500. So, we're talking about half percentages there. So if I can manage this one to take a 5 mini loss here and then let the other one do whatever it wants. Here we go. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Break the high. Keep going. Keep going. Kalimera από την όμορφη Ολλανδία. Geraldos. That's not a Greek name. Let's make some profits. Welcome. New name, I think. Might be new. Obviously the gibberish was Greek. For the people that don't know that I'm Greek. I'm not going crazy and just chatting in weird languages. $63. That's good. That's good. Half of you people like me. That's good. You can't have everything in life. If you can have half of the people liking you, that's good. How does Darwin X work? So Darwin X is like a competition. So Ali is trying to get my position, who's in here in the chat. I'm trying to get Ali's position, but in reality we're both trying to get top positions. Come on, here we go. That's the push. That's the push we want. Just give a little bit more volume. Manifesting 12697. Let's do it. Push up. Nice. Do a bit more. Do a bit more. Doesn't want to do it. He doesn't want to do it. I thought it was dehydration. I think he's referring to speaking. There we go. There we go. So that will be about 7 or 8, wouldn't it? I'm just going to do it. I'm just going to use that. I'm going to use that push, close half that. Now we've decreased the risk on both. Pushing higher. Now we need to see where we're going to decrease the risk even more. If we can get back into this fair value gap here, that would be another nice area. I might just keep 0.25 on this one. Remember, I'm now starting to position for tonight because there's going to be news. So if pound dollar has a positive news event, I wouldn't want to be dealing with this. I want to risk manage this so then I can start down here, wherever the price is. I'm going to hold this. So if this comes back down now, I can allocate some Darwin X positions here. EU, 5-minute boss, breakup structure made me enter. Chris is in. I'm sensing some volume coming in about 15 minutes. I always find 15 minutes towards 10 o'clock, 9 o'clock. There's an influx of volume. I wouldn't mind a spike. If it can spike up here, close this. What do we think, guys? When are we hitting? Look at this. Community is building. when do you think we're hitting this bad boy here? 10,000 subscribers. That's pretty cool. Considering we only had 75 last year. I think it was the right decision there to cut a little bit of Darwin X on that. Now we've got a bit more room. We've taken a bit of a hit on that. Where's Ali? Ali, can you tell me my position on TCD? The conscious day trader. Unfortunately, because I'm in Indonesia, if I'm not on VPN, I can't see it. Or Martin. So at the time, I've got 3 accounts going. This is copied on instant funding. That way I'm doubling my profits. Every time I make $400 is $800. So that's good. And then I've also got a personal account which is copied from the Fivers. So yeah, when do we think we're gonna hit 10K? Because when we hit 10K, we're gonna give 1 month for free to, I'm tempted to, we can either do it on YouTube, you know how you can do a poll on YouTube, not you, like a random person in the poll, in the people in the chat, but I don't like that because someone might have jumped into the stream for the first time and has never been here. So I'll speak with our moderator Marcel and with the Vanguards. I think the giveaway should be with people we recognize. Like, you know what I mean? I know Chris G, like people that are actually here multiple times, like Tassie, an average FX trader, these names like High Math, I recognize these them. And obviously there's a lot more. So I'm wondering if we do it with 275, okay. So that's the thing, we've got 20, what is it? It's the 26th. So we've only got a couple more days next week. Do I realistically think that Evan, of course, Evan has been here forever. Do I think I'm going to be hitting 40,000s and 60,000s? If that's not the case, do I just, hold the position that I have? I think it's about 2.9%. It's probably dropped now to 2.5 because I closed a bit of Darwin X. So just take 25K. That will push my account to 50,000. And then reset for next month. Focus on this account. Or do I get, because I'm quite close to 3.5%, which would be 40 to 60,000. So it's a tricky one. It's a tricky one. And I guess that's why they do it, because they always give you the little carrot that you can make more, but then people try and make more and lose the 25K allocation. So it is a bit tricky. New subscriber, LZ FX Trading, welcome. Pushing a little bit more now. Nice, Murray. Murray always comes in. He's like 10 minutes in. He's like, I'm done, guys. Thank you. See you later. I love it. I've got better things to do. Made my money. See you later. About break even now. If we close above the 1267, might be an upside here. It's trying to get there. 940s, 944s, 940s holding. Breaking 47s, get into the 50s. Today's COD data as well. Back into that weekly now. Now this is interesting. We're either going to hold this and push down, or we're going to have a strong break and continue upwards. That is, we're at a key level here now. I am tempted to take a little bit more off as we get above this area here in this. If we get here, I might just use what we took out 0.1 of the 5, so 1.5 would get us to half. It's Friday, we've got news, so my repositioning today is all about risk mitigation. And if you're wondering what that is one of the videos I shared with the Vanguards about how to manage your positions appropriately when you're doing repositioning. Breaking above, gone to the 50. I think I'm going to take 0.4 there. So, right, so we've got 0.25. So totally, we've taken out a $44 loss from this position. But now we have half a position on the top side. So we're about close to break even now, with a decreased drawdown if it comes against us. Make sense? We've got a discounted loss, if you want. But what can we also do? We can reapply the 0.25 if it gets lower. Dum da dum 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 dum. We're hitting 70 likes. This is big, guys. I think we have potential to hit 100 likes on this. We have potential because we still got good 40 minutes. We're doing good. You guys are doing good today. It's all about that because of the risk mitigation and the drawdown. People love a drawdown. So that's good news on the Darwin X actually now. Yes, I could have done it a little bit later, but I'm happy with that. We took an $8, which would push my performance a little bit down. But considering the bigger picture here, how this position, and this is trading, you can bog down and say, oh my God, this trade, I could have closed it for $160. You could have, but you didn't. So now it pushed back down and it went all the way down to what was that, like, can't remember now, 190 or whatever. It came back up, managed it. You have to always deal with the reality of the trade in this current moment that you're looking at it. Not what it did before or what it's like potentially doing in the future. You have to look at it now, analyze it now, be present. Is this a good position? No, okay. How can I manage it? How can I manage out of it? Today we've got a bearish sentiment on the pound dollar. Core data. Today is the 26th. So it hasn't come out yet. I can't remember what time it comes out. But last time we had an increase in long positions. From December to January. Another decrease there. There he is, Raphael. Hello, good morning. Like I said, it's going to be tough to break this. That's going to be tough to break. Ryan, good afternoon. May I ask, will coverage of strategies backtesting become? All the Q&As are recorded. So whatever we've done, you can literally go back and watch them all. Every week we do something new, and we go back and redo things in a different manner. We do a lot of NLP work. Repositioning, we've done about 3 or 4 time Q&As. Obviously we're going to do more. Next week will be a technical one. we've had 2 weeks on mainly the psychology aspect of trading. Next week will probably be on strategy. I normally work on that on Mondays. Prepare it for the guys. There was another little push there. I guess we can have a look at something else. The only thing I want to see, I don't want to miss a spike here whilst looking at something else, because I do want to see what happens with this one. What is the difference between swing trading and repositioning? Everything. What's the same? Micro cap trader. Repositioning is a tool to manage your positions. Swing trading just means that you're trading on a multiple day trade. Anything from days to weeks to months. So one is a tool, the other one is a way of trading. Hi Joe, is your strategy always that of repositioning? Yeah, I always reposition. I always manage my trades with repositioning. I never go all in, if you like. I can put 10 lots on this account and it won't, it's a very big account. But my 10 lot is used as a safety net. It's not used a way to make money. We're a little bit in the green now. $44 down, 52. Some people just close it if they don't like the position they're in. I don't want to close this because I like this position. I could just close this position for $70. But I wanna see it. I don't mind here 0.25. That was my worst entry. Isn't repositioning just a split? Look, repositioning is it's a whole. It's the way I trade. Basically, I came up with a language to explain it for the vanguards in the Discord. This is kind of pushing now. It's going to react now to the fair value gap. See if it breaks through it. I'm going to close 0.1 of that. So total loss so far, $56. What's the Darwin X doing? Close. Total of $10 on that. Right, so now I can apply, if this pushes back down after this fair value gap, now I can apply a full new position in there. And if this comes up, I can just close it and it will be a $10 loss on this position, which is quite a big one for the account size. But not very big one, but you know what I mean. This is what risk mitigation looks like. So to answer your question, microcap, I don't think this is swing trading. This is part of repositioning as well. So it's a method I use to decrease risk when I'm in a bad position. I've got multiple ways to do this. So there's a multifaceted way of trading. But if it's the first time you're seeing this and you're trying to apply it to something else, commonalities you will find is pound average approach. That's what you hear, like banking system. Like you said, what do you like, a matrix? People call it matrix as well. Reposition is like scaling in positions with good risk management. Yeah, scaling out, I would say. In. Yeah, scaling in. So I'm always scaling when it goes against me. My first entry is always my worst entry. So you might ask, why did you close these here and you didn't leave it? Because we don't know what the price would have done. Could have easily gone down. So now, as we're getting better price, I want to get a discount closure of this. Filling up the fair value gap now. $56. Gonna close a little bit more of that. $60. So we're now at just 0.1 of that position. Darwin X. $0.01, 11. Good job, Maury. $65. I'll take that. So of a potential loss of $30 pips, which would be $150, we've taken a $60. So that's not bad. So now we're starting here. We can even take half of this and be risk no, what's it called? No drawdown on that. So now I'll be waiting. See if we can get a little bit better price here. Oops, wrong one. 76.4. It's a nice fair value gap that's filled. What is it? It's 11 to a 12. That would be a 2 trade. I might just take that just for $1 there. So that's a total of 12. That's a big one for Darwin X, but it's okay. We'll see where that leads up. I'm sure that will still be in the race for 50K allocation. And that's how you manage your trade, guys. It's not sexy, is it? That's the real way of management. Well, one way of management. Always make more money when it repositions. Obviously, you're getting a better price. If it goes straight to P, you normally make 20 pips on half position. So that would have repositioned successfully, if you could hold that. I like to be safe. 76.4 now hit. Pushing. Pushing. How much time do you stay in front of the charts? If I'm live, 2 hours, 2 to 3 hours. If I'm not trading live, which is not very often now, I'll just spend an hour looking at the charts, put all the alerts in, and then when the alerts hit, I just press buys or sells on the phone. So I would say overall in the day, maybe 2 hours. But like everything, like you flick your phone on, see where the price is. You don't need to spend a lot of time when you're looking at hourly candles. You would be interested to see where this is going to close now, but you don't need to look at every single 5 minutes. Do you find a trade every day? If a trade presents itself, then yes. If it doesn't, like we had another live, when was it, last week? We just didn't have trades for 2 days. We were just sitting here chatting. There was nothing there. But that's it. So now, what have we managed to do? Regardless if you repositioned this or you risk managed it, we've been able to secure a price of 1267.90 prior to the news. So this can easily start pushing up now and changing the direction. If that's the case, we can hold this for the news, and if it comes back down, this will become our worst entry. And remember, now we're at the low of this session. So even if this pushes even lower, we're in a good position to be able to manage this. What do you explain in the Vanguard? Everything, I think. We go in detail about NLP work, strategies, repositioning, risk management. There's about 26 Q&As now, I think, about an hour or 2 hours. Do you think the news will affect in any way possible a retracement? News can do whatever it wants. Fundamentally, we're slightly bearish on the pound dollar today. COD data, more shorts than longs. More longs than shorts, but not by much, so pretty even. Retail trading, pretty even. So nothing crazy. News-wise, quite bullish news on the pound dollar. Yeah, news generally move price. We've broken above 127. We'll see if we hold. It did close. The hour closed green above 127. So we're going to see now if this can hold. If it holds and it breaks above, then might look interesting. We're trying to break the 100s. 1270.67. Here he is, good old Phoenix. How are we doing on the like, guys? Let's see. Let's see, let's see. Oops. 82 likes. I think we're close. I think we can potentially get the 100, but we are getting close. Yep, Phoenix, I know. Phoenix is hungry. We have to leave today. We're going on a party, to a party. So come here, buddy. There he is. There he is. What do you think? What do you think? It's like, where's my food? Stop trading. What are all these big lights? What do you think, Phoenix? We're gonna hit 100 likes. Off you go. Okay, right. Let me see. By the way, guys, I don't know if you have seen, but today was a big day on Instagram. Every morning I share my Bali life. You can go and watch that. Look at this, 80 kgs, getting stronger. This is week 3 from going from fat dad to I was struggling though. I was surprised I got that. I needed some help on the 4th one there. Oh, horrible. And the 5 was like holding on for dear life. We managed it. But conscious day trader, guys, go and follow me on Instagram if you want to see what happens with this trade afterwards. You can see lifestyle in Bali and all the good stuff. So conscious day trader, don't go for the scams. Go with the blue tick. And I do have some reels in there, and I might post a reel later today. Let's push him back up again. That's good. So yeah, go and give us a follow. Conscious, I'll put it in the chat as well. If you want to see what Bali life is like. Hello, buddy. He's going to turn off the PC any second. I can tell him. He's ready. He's ready to go. Right, let's see where we're closing. Okay, we're coming. 138. I'm going to hold this. For, I don't know. We'll see before news. I might hold this for 400-500. If we're in a good position around before news, then I might close it and see if I can get a better entry. But yeah, I think it was very valuable live today. You got to see risk mitigation, how you can manage a bad entry. Remember, this went our way, but very easily this could have broken down and we still managed that for $60. So that's a good risk management there. So you can have this video, save it, you can go back and watch it. We did it live. We're trying to break now 150s. So it is Friday, which means the Vanguards are having the first call today. That's quite exciting. I'm looking forward to see what they think and what they're going to be discussing today. We've got a 3-hour slot where they can jump in and discuss. It's not recorded, so I'm looking forward to see what they think. Phoenix is eating the camera. I'll see you Monday. Tuesdays lives. Wednesday we have a video. I make a video every week, and we also have the Q&A, live Q&A. Thursday live, Friday live. Just to go back for a second, and for a last thing, if you do want to join us, and you do want to join the call today, if you do want to join Vanguard, make sure, Phoenix, give me a second, Jesus Christ, coming. This is the Vanguard link, and you'll get access to about 25 Q&A videos. It's for the serious people. It's not for the, you have to put some work in there to get consistent in trading, right? The camera is moving because it's literally eating it. I'm gonna go and feed him now. But if you do want to join us, that's where you can join us. And also, we're pushing. Have a good one, guys. Have a good weekend. And I'll see you next time.
I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, I can't take no loss. I don't even know what it costs. Yeah, I hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, hit the ground, then it go off. Yeah, run it. Ooh, I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time. Think it's my year. Yeah. I really feel it's my time, think it's my pen ready. Used to hold myself back, my self-esteem getting better. Gotta keep on chugging, ran through everything in front of me. Might smoke bed heavy, got a whole agenda. Can't aspire to get ahead, so bump that, it's no surrender. Got a dollar flipped up, I'm trying to get it in FT to get them when they're in hand and crypto. Learn how to fix that. I don't really hold out of books, but I'ma learn how to fix that. Some opportunities and never come unless you're paying attention, so no, I can't miss that. Move.